K5LLAs is what they're called. Oh, turn that down.
I am.
CHT Town. Or CH Town. Timothy?
Yeah.
I need to know what that horn sounds like on the Osmo.
Loud.
No, I need to know what it sounds like if you play it back in slow-mo.
Well, we will.
Brake wheel, or hand brake is what they call it. Man, Timothy, I'm excited to see what that horn sounds like in 4x slow-mo. 4x for 4 times slower than real time at 25%. Man, I'm gonna laugh so hard. Everything sounds funny in slow-mo. Actually, 4x slow-mo, 4 times slower than real time. Gam. A fox. Sanho. What does that mean? OG. JMS. 119. What does NORX mean? Nickel.
I don't know.
I've never seen that recording mark in my life before, Timothy.
I'll have to look it up.
It's probably short for national something. I don't know. What? Oh man, it's too loud!
Top speed of 24 miles an hour.
125 cars and 2 engines.